and we start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim. And big topic is the same, contrast of Lashon Hara versus Rechilus. Okay. Next one, exaggeration. The rule that a slander cannot be justified. Slander. So a slander is not something that is not true. Right? Slander cannot be justified, even for a constructive purpose, would seem to be without exception. The Chofetz Chaim, however, speculates that if one cannot bring about a given constructive result without exaggerating, then it may be accepted. The case he cites is where one is attempting to dissolve the partnership between two children, one of whom is bad influence upon the other. If the victim will not be influenced to end the relationship, unless the evil of his friends are exaggerated, this may be permissible. The guidelines for such exemption are very sensitive, and one cannot rely upon it without proper consultation with competent halakhic authority. So, one of the rules, as we said, we cannot exaggerate when we even allowed to talk for constructive purpose. So, but here is example. It's one of the exceptions. They say, okay, you exaggerate to dissolve the partnership between the children. So children, they're not very understanding, right? So sometimes you have to give them extra, exaggerate, basically, right? So maybe that boy is not so bad, but you say a little extra because that's what he's tending to be, right? So it's like an exception. Okay.